everybody. I just wanted to do a quick video about how to log into our Zoom meetings. I know there was some confusion this morning, and I am so sorry about that. I posted the Zoom link up on Seesaw because I just thought it would be easier to open up your kiddo's Chromebook, open up Seesaw, click the link, and you're in Zoom instead of putting it on Dojo, where I know a lot of you use your phones, and I didn't want you to have to give up your phone for the hour that we're on Zoom. So this is how I'm hoping is the easiest way to do it. So when you go into Seesaw, you'll see right here, it'll say your kiddo's name. You're going to click here where it says inbox. And then I post it here where it says announcements. There's student announcements and family announcements. And I send it to both. So you can click on either. So you click on student announcements. And then the one on the bottom is going to be the most recent. So this is kind of the agenda I posted for what we're doing this week. So you'll just go up a little bit. And there's a little video I sent. And then right here is the message about our Zoom. Now, I made it so we have the same recurring meeting each day this week. So every day this week at 10 o'clock, you're just going to click on this Zoom link and it will take you right to our meeting. I decided to not put a password on it just because I want it to be as simple as possible for you guys. I know you're really busy, and it was awesome to see everyone that I saw today. I'm hoping to see everybody this week. But when it's 10 o'clock, you'll just click on this link. Zoom will open. I believe you just have to click one or two more where it's saying let Zoom use your camera, things like that. So I hope this helps. I hope this didn't confuse you more. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm always here. And it was so great seeing your kiddos today. And I am so appreciative of all of the hard work that you are doing. I know this is not easy for you. And please don't feel like you have to log on every day if you have other things happening. I'm only going to be assigning 4 assignments a day. We're going to work on the math papers that I sent home during the Zoom. So, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.